Very excited now that it's only two weeks away, potentially probably shorter. Very excited and just can't wait to get to London now. It's a great experience for me, and I basically wouldn't be here right now today if it wasn't for that program, the coaches, every one of the teammates that I was with at the Waratahs. So it's a great experience, a learning curve for me, and basically with that experience is a massive reason why I'm here today. It's pretty difficult actually, because this, as you can see, this squad at the moment is got full of potential, and the guys in my position also are great quality players too. So to even be sort of thought of to be in this team was very humbling, but at the same time now being chosen and announced to participate in the World Cup for Fiji is amazing. My family, grandmothers and my parents, my mum and stuff always told me I used to just kick a ball around when I was about 2 or 3 years old, and I just couldn't really just get over the use of just kicking a ball around and playing with a soccer ball. If it was a footy there, I'd be kicking that around too, so probably as young as 2 or 3. Really enjoy Boys in the Hood, just like those kind of movies, and a lot of the old school movies.
Cuba Gooding Jr.
Yeah, that's right, and also I remember the Titans, just very motivational movie, and one of my favourite actors, Denzel Washington's in that movie, so really relatable for myself.
Remember any one of those lines by Denzel Washington? You must have watched it a number of times. Those messages to the team in that game?
Actually, yeah, when they were training, Pee-wee, you're killing me. Peter, you're killing me, you're killing me. Yeah. The song is in my head, I just can't get the title. It'll come back to me, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
While we're still talking.
Oh, you don't have to call. You don't have to call.
You don't have to call.
Yeah.
Can you sing a...
you don't have to call. It's okay, girl. Cause I'll be right.
Going around the world.
Oh,
you wanna
okay.
sing it to the girl?
Nah. Got a girlfriend waiting for me to go to London, so probably be singing that to her when I get to London. Oh, just maintenance, I guess.
What type of maintenance?
Good short haircut.
Any chemicals?
Just want to, straightening chemicals. Seeing that I've got the natural Fijian frizzy hair, it's pretty tough to try to style that kind of hair. So I just sort of experimented probably a year or two ago, and I enjoyed it ever since. Try to keep it neat, short, yeah. Would have to be Volavola Matawala.
Why? What's so special?
His character. You don't get a person like him every day, and I guess the squad wouldn't be the same if it wasn't with that. His character and just how he holds himself, and if there's a sort of an intense time, he sort of gets us together to relax, and it's really good to have him in the squad. I think the biggest one that sort of stands out for me was Thursday, just yesterday's training.
What happened?
So we've had a pretty intense training schedule for the last 2 to 3 weeks, and yesterday was pretty tough, and we knew as a squad that it would be a pretty tough training session, and it was just 80 minutes full of just work and hard work, and how the boys just took that on, and the whole squad just took it on and sort of just delivered on the day. And at the end of the training sessions, as we got back together, they just recovered well, and were still able to talk and be very inspired about the English game and the World Cup campaign. So my first roommate was Josh Matavesi, and he's been my roommate ever since. So in our spare time, we'll probably go to Contain Yourself here in Suva. It's a really good cafe, good time to just relax, and also we go to our family members' places. Family time's always good, so yeah, it's good to relax.
It was good, both of you number 10s together, spending time together, discussing a few issues about the game as well.
Yeah, not really issues, just things to really work on and how we can improve each other. And it's good having Josh in the same position as I do, because I learn off him and vice versa, and it's a good, healthy relationship, not just on the field but off the field too. just to do my job and help the team by doing my job. I think as a person that plays in my position, fly half, his role is to just guide the team around the field. And if I do that, if Josh does that, then all the other boys are really keen on doing their roles, and can't see why we can't have success. Yeah, I just want to say hello and thank you to Ratu Penny and the family at Livonia Road, and just to the general public, thank you for your ongoing support. We aren't just playing for our family and our friends, but we're playing for you and representing you when we get to England. So thank you for your support and just continue to back us.
Thank you.
Thank you.